Hi, I'm Cindy Kruger, and today I'm going to show you the Play Clients function in your Special Batches tab. To access it, you click on the Special Batches icon and you go to the Pay Clients option. Now what this Pay Clients does is it creates a batch from the money that you select here, so which option you select. For example, the first one is Pay from Reserved. So if you have money on reserved on your matters, it will automatically create a payment batch with all those matters reserved balances. You then have an option which is a pay credit balance option. That is all your matters that have a amount on credit on the actual of the matter. So in other words, any money sitting in trust on the matter, it will then create the payment batch out of those matters to your client. Then you have pay up to claim amount. So in other words, clients will be paid a portion of their claim amount from the available credit, and then once the claim amount has been reached, it will no longer pay the money out to the client that will be used against your fees. So in this example, I'm going to use the pay from reserved. So what the system's going to do is it's going to go through and it's going to find all my matters that have money sitting on reserved, and it's going to create the payment batch for me. So I've put the little dot here by pay from reserved, and I click on next. Now here on the screen you can actually filter. So let's say, for example, you don't want to do it on all your matters. You only want to do it on specific matters. So in other words, you can choose your client or your matter, or for a specific document set, say you only want to pay on your collections matters. You can also choose a cost center or an employee, and then you can also have a group function. So you can set your matters up to belong to a group. For example, to pay clients, then you'll drop down and you'll select the group. So all of these have drop down options where you can select all, tagged, selected, or current in your filter selection. I'm going to leave mine on all, and I'll say OK. The system will then run through and it will pick up all those matters that have money in reserved, and it will create or say a batch created, and you must press a post button to post this batch. So in my example, I have 3 matters that have money in reserved. So it's gone and it's created the payment batch on those 3 matters. If you can here, you can also go and you can change it if you'd like to, and it will show you exactly what makes up those amounts here. So you can change the amount. Let's say you don't want to pay the full 5,000 Rand out. You can right click on it and you can change, and you can adjust the figure here. And same for the 3,500 Rand. So that will show you now once you've done that. And just to show you, this is if you don't want to carry on with the batch, you can cancel this batch. And then you've got the balances. So if you view the balances, it will show you the total of the batch and how many transactions are in that batch. So once you're happy with the batch, you can print the batch out if you like, or otherwise you can then go to the post icon, and then this will finalize the batch for you and it will post the batch through for you, and it will say the payment batch has been posted. And that's how you process your Pay Clients function in the Special Batches screen.